My video guide will help you to remove fake alerts that are not related to Apple or macOS security. These fake alerts come from the site jerrypark.xyz, but there may be a lot of other similar and very deceptive websites of this similar nature. So these fake alerts claim to be somehow related to Apple platform security or to macOS security. But once again, they are absolutely fake and you should not trust their deceptive content. These pop-ups also quote this fake Mac support number +1 888 520 4729. The purpose of these fake alerts is to scare people into calling this fake Mac support number. If people call this fake number, they will hear some online hackers who will try to connect to the computer remotely, and then these hackers may demand money from the victims or from potential victims, supposedly to get the computer fixed. So interacting with these pop-ups is extremely dangerous. Don't call this fake Mac support number. We recommend you to thoroughly research your Mac applications and remove any programs that seem to be suspicious, because sometimes a lot of malware or adware may be injected without the user's permission, resulting in such pop-ups. We also recommend that you investigate your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the application, and begin researching the system with its help. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. Download Combo Cleaner, install the software, and click on Start Combo Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, but even the trial version has got several absolutely free features like disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and then at the end of the scanning you will be able to see the summary of threats that were found on your computer. There will be a special report mentioning the threats which were found, mentioning their exact locations on the system, and based on that information, of course, certain threats can always be removed manually, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your Mac computers always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So this is the report. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Premium. This is what you need to get your Mac always protected against any other malware or adware attacks.